Do you ever wonder what happens to your clothes after they're donated? Some go to people in need or end up on thrift store racks, but a lot of them, tons actually, are packed up and shipped by the boatload to other countries to become their problem. Ghana, for instance, receives roughly 15 million pieces of used clothing each week from around the world, but approximately 40% of it ends up in landfills, contributing to excessive waste in the country. Many people and organizations are attempting to turn all that trash into treasure, though. Vintage Gala, based in Ghana, is one of those companies. It's pushing back against global fast fashion by urging people to shop secondhand.
We all know recycling helps the environment if we are being truthful. So if you wear a cloth that has been made back in the days and you are not going to buy a new clothes, but you want to wear something that has been made previously, that way you are helping the environment by not using raw materials, using other things to reproduce new clothes.
Founders Prince Quais and James Edem Dojarty go through piles of used clothing several times per week at the Kantamanto Market, one of the largest garment markets on the continent of Africa. These garments are part of an overflow of bulk shipment received each week from countries like the UK, Canada, the US, the Netherlands, China, Korea, and Australia. The excess items often start off as donations sent to charities. Items that are deemed unsellable are turned over by donation centers to exporters who sell shipping containers filled with the clothing to international facilities. In Ghana, Kantamanto retailers purchase these bales of clothing for about $100 to $300 without knowing what clothing is inside. They then repair and upcycle them into new items that they sell at the market. In many cases, the shipped clothing are not the best quality, which is why approximately 40% of them still get thrown out, ending up in landfills and contaminating beaches. Prince and James search through the used items to find vintage pieces they can resell in their online shop, TT Vintage Store, and at events like this one dubbed the Vintage Gala. Their mission is ultimately to bring people together while helping the environment by cutting down on raw materials and shopping secondhand.
The idea of everything right now is just to inspire everybody to shop or thrift vintage. So we are not just saying secondhand goods are second class. So we are just trying to inspire people that shopping vintage makes recycling better.
The team believes that by purchasing these vintage items, there would be less environmental impact, allowing customers to express their unique styles more sustainably. What do you do with your unwanted clothes? Do you donate them? Do you shop secondhand? Let us know in the comments below.